To create a ChatGPT account, you will need to follow these steps. Go to OpenAI's website, open the OpenAI website in your web browser. Sign up for an account, click the Sign Up button on the top right corner of the website to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Verify your email, check your email for a verification link and click on it to verify your email address. Log into your account. Once you've verified your email, you can log into your OpenAI account. Access the API. To access the ChatGPT API, you will need to apply for access and get approved by OpenAI. You can do this by clicking the API link in the top navigation bar and following the steps to apply. Get an API key. Once you've been approved for access to the API, you will receive an API key that you can use to access the ChatGPT model. Integrate the API into your application. Use the API key to integrate the ChatGPT model into your application. You can find documentation and examples on the OpenAI website to help you get started. By following these steps, you can create a ChatGPT account and integrate the API into your application to start using the model for natural language processing tasks.